How to change the FPS in Roblox. First of all, launch Roblox on your PC and open any game where you want to change the FPS settings. Once you are inside the game, press the escape key on your keyboard or the Roblox game icon in the top left corner of the screen to open the in-game menu. Now, go to the settings tab. Here you will find the maximum frame rate option. From here, you can adjust your frame rate for a smoother gameplay. Higher frame rates consume more power and frames beyond your display's refresh rate won't be shown. It will be set to 60 FPS by default, but you can change it from the drop-down menu. You can select 120, 144 or 240 FPS as per your requirement for the game. Once clicked, it will be applied instantly. You don't need to restart the game or the app for changes to take effect. If you experience lag after increasing FPS, try reducing graphics quality slightly. This simple trick can make your gameplay feel much more responsive. And that's it. Now you know how to change FPS in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.